For distinguishing the structural vowel oo from neutral
Wooed, would, wooed, would. Pool, pull, pool, pull. Hood, 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 hood. Stewed, stood, stewed, stood.
Cooed, could, cooed, could. Fool, full, fool, full. Shoed, should, shoed, should. Luke, look, Luke, look.
Now we'll do some sentences contrasting the structural vowel oo and the neutral Say each sentence with me twice. We pulled him out of the swimming pool. We pulled him out of the swimming pool. He put his foot in the new boot. He put his foot in the new boot. The woman said goodbye to her students. The woman said goodbye to her students. He couldn't prove that the news was true. He couldn't prove that the news was true.